Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update Google Play Store on any Android phone. Let's start. First, open the Google Play Store app. At the top right corner, tap on your profile picture. Now tap on Settings. Tap on About. Here you will see Play Store version. Tap on Update Play Store. If an update is available, it will start updating automatically. If you see Google Play Store is up to date, then your app is already updated. Wait a few seconds. Your Google Play Store is now updated. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.